Hello, here I am with the legendary Dario, street dance Dario. So good to see you. And even better know that you said yes straight away to be part of the Australian Dance Festival. We are looking for the key people from the dance industry in Australia, and you definitely are one of them. Key part of that help to build the dancing scene in Australia. So how did it start? When did you first arrive in Australia?
Well, I came here in 1982, and I am actually what they call the originator of all the hip-hop dancing that you see today.
Is it right?
Yes, locking, popping. I had a group called the Double D's. We toured all over Australia at least 2 or 3 times. Video clips, working 3 or 4 times a day, that sort of thing.
Wow.
So yeah, that was really good back then. That was when it was like, Australia was like $1 once, so I just want to say big ups to like Daryl out there, you know, he's still doing it.
Totally cool, because I arrived about 11 years ago, and I straight away heard about you, and you were not even in my field. I was in a Latinx field, and I was already seeing lots of class of you packed at Castlereagh Street.
Yeah.
And so you in 1982, so I absolutely believe what you said, because in Australia probably they didn't have much of what you're offering at the time.
No, at the time there was only jazz dancers. There was no hip hop, none.
Wow.
Okay? And I was the first one to actually put that out there. And so going on things like the Daryl Summers variety show, Bert Newton show, doing 5 nights a week at Ken Sutherland's, places like that, when that was in the early times. Yeah, so I just came out here with $300 in my pocket.
Wow.
Never been here before, and just decided to reinvent myself and then come up with something else.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Australia thinking you, when we come here, we come kind of like that.
Yeah.
I want to restart something new, and Australia always give you this opportunity. Do you feel proud of everything you have done to Australia?
Yeah, because there's a lot of my dance students still out there, you know, that are still doing things. I mean, you got your Tim O'Maddox, you got your Travis Ross. These are cats that I taught when they were like 7 and 8 years old.
Wow,
yes, I even taught Jason Coleman. Okay, man, are you still doing the running, man? I want to make sure you're still doing that. So yeah, and from there I just been in the choreography. So what it is, what made it successful for me is that I was doing things that no one else was doing. So at the time, after that sort of went to where it went to, then I started working in high schools with kids. So there's a lot of my students out there from high schools. Then I started doing choreography. So I was in the people like Colette, Peter Andre, Selwyn, all these sort of people. So that. And then because I didn't get a chance to teach at certain schools, they didn't allow that at the time, I started my own classes. So I was the first guy to even start classes in hip hop out here. So I rented a space, boom, that's what I started doing.
Wow, so, you really believed on your stuff, didn't you?
Well, yes, because what happens is I think when you lose, you gain. So sometimes when things fall off, that's just opening up a way for something else to come in. So,
absolutely,
so there's always another way. So, and from there, back then, like hip hop was pretty much a sort of a freestyle. Okay, so like now everything is choreographed. So what I'm trying to do is I started a new movement about 5 years ago out here. It's called Crump, and that's what I'm going to be doing at the dance festival. So I'm going to get some people crump out there. You know, that wasn't coming over big at first, but now it's a big thing. It's all on the TV shows.
Yeah.
You know, and
Incredible. And where you come from in the U.S.? Which part of it?
Originally from Jamestown, Ohio. And but then I lived in California, and this is where I picked up a lot of my dancing from there.
And you learned on the streets, did you?
Yeah, but that's pretty much where hip hop always originated.
Yeah,
totally. It's just like from from salsa to everything. It was never in a dance studio.
From the streets.
You learn it from the people you hang out with. So that's why my company is called Dario Street Dance.
Yeah. Awesome. And you probably also inspired so many boys to dance, because in 1982, of course, dancing until today is very related to girls. and it's changing a lot. A lot of guys involved in dance, and it doesn't happen because of TV show only. It doesn't happen from one day to the other. It happens from people that have been working for a long time, and you're definitely one of them that has been while back then pushing things to happen.
Well, my belief is that everybody inside, there's a God within. Okay, there's somebody out there, and everybody has a talent, whether you're male or female. You come to this earth with something to deliver, and all I was pretty much an influence, an instrument, so these people would see that and say, hey, you know, I'd like to do that, especially like a lot of males, because that's been it's been pretty good out here as far as that goes, and males getting more into dance, and with sometimes your pop singers and all that, that makes that a big difference too. So.
Well, the Australian Dance Festival is a celebration of dancing. There is no competition. Dario, you'll be there. You're gonna actually meet people that you haven't seen for a long time.
Yes,
people that have been your students and people that have been really proud of being part of your team some stage in the past. And if you're out there and if you really love dance, come and celebrate today. It's going to be a whole weekend. Dario will be teaching crumping. Your team is going to be performing
the
really hard
Scratch Fam, the Shutdowns, the Ruthlesses. We all going to be out there. So I just want to say thank you guys for allowing Crump to be part of this whole thing. You know, and like big ups to the Australian Dance Festival. This lady decided to put me on the camera, so I want to say thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So I just want to say peace to y'all, man. And y'all keep dancing out there, man. Y'all keep going. You know what I'm saying? All the little ones to the big ones. You do it, you know?
And thank you. We are so proud to have you part of it. We are here to invite you to come and watch us and meet us, dance with us at the Australian Dance Festival. See you.
Peace.